Hey guys, it's Memorial Day, the 29th of May. It's 2 o'clock, 2:15. Only about 10 miles in. I stopped at the Pine Grove Furnace State Park here in Pennsylvania. And I didn't do the half-gallon challenge, but I did get some ice cream. The sun came out for a little bit, laid out in the grass. Got some lunch, got another 10 miles to go. It's really weird seeing all these people out here picnicking and swimming and stuff. Makes me kind of miss everybody back home. I know nobody will see this for months probably, but just want to say happy Memorial Day everybody, and hope everybody's having a good weekend.